Welcome to our series of BinSense installation videos. In this video, we'll take you through the process of getting a new customer set up step by step for our lineup of BinSense products. To set up a BinSense live site with wireless hourly grain condition readings, you'll first need to get the site set up on the BinSense dashboard and add BinSense devices to the site. To start, log on to the web dashboard with your dealer account and click the Create Site button. You can create a new site for an existing user who already has a BinSense account, or you can create a new account. For new users, you'll need to enter the user's personal details and contact information. Once the user account is selected, you can set the site location on the map. You can use the search box on the map to look up a nearby town or landmark and find the site from there, or you can enter the site latitude and longitude if you have that available. Once you've found the site on the map, enter the site name and click the Set Site Location button, which will drop a place marker on the map. Adjust the place marker so that it sits roughly at the center of the map. The next step of the process is to add the bins and BinSense equipment to the site. For each monitoring device that gets added, you need to enter the unit's serial number. The first device to add for a BinSense live system is the master unit, which gets installed on a bin. Add a bin to the map, choose Live as the monitoring device, choose Master as the device type, and then enter the master unit's serial number. Next, add each bin to the site. After entering the bin details, set the monitoring device to BinSense Live, the device type to Remote, and enter the remote unit's serial number for the bin. Once you have confirmed all the information you entered, click Finish to save the site and begin installing hardware. You will be redirected to the Site Reports page where you can view the status of hardware reporting. Now you're ready to go to the site and start installing BinSense devices. Check out our other videos for details on how to get everything set up and running on the site.